Lesson 33 Zonko again. Page number 104. Lesson 33 Zonko again. Let's read this story and then we will answer the questions which are asked at the end of this lesson. Fine. So let us read and understand this story. Zonko again. Zonko, the baby elephant, had stopped eating. So who is Zonko? Zonko is the baby elephant. Okay, here you can see the picture. This is Zonko, a baby elephant. Are you feeling ill, son? Asked Nolly, his father. So now, what is the name of the father of Zonko? Nolly. Okay, Nolly is the father of Zonko. He asked, are you feeling ill, son? Zonko shook his head. Ellie, his mother, asked him what the matter was. Zonko looked sadly at her. So now, the name of Zonko's mother is Ellie. You can see here, Ellie. Ellie is the name of Zonko's mother. So she asked, is there any matter? So Zonko looked sadly at her. Okay. I am fat, he said, with his head hung low. Bobo Rabbit and Fifi Froggy call me fatty and I don't like it. They say that if I eat so much, I shall burst one day. So why he is sad? Why he looked sadly at his mother? Because Bobo Rabbit and Fifi Froggy. So there is a rabbit whose name is Bobo and a frog whose name is Fifi. Okay, so these two now turn to page number 105. First paragraph. You don't have to swallow it. Page number 105. Turn to page number 105. First paragraph. You don't have to swallow it, said Gigi, showing her behind to Zonko with her long neck. He pokes it in right there. I had to be given one a few months ago when I was ill and it hurts even when I think about it now. So Gigi said to Zonko that he does not have to swallow the needle. Rather, what will happen? It will be poked. It will be poked on his back, right? So she showed her behind to Zonko and she said that the vet pokes the needle in the back. I had to be given one few months ago when I was ill and it hurts even when I think about it now. But Zonko did not believe her. So Zonko did not believe her. Joe was one of the keepers of Green Park, a park for animals in a forest. He saw that Zonko had not touched his food tub for some time. Zonko did not even go around eating bananas or any other fruit. Joe filled Zonko's tub with lots of potatoes, which he loved, but Zonko turned his back on the tub and walked sadly away. Then Joe left bunches of bananas and a tub full of fruits for Zonko. But Zonko would not eat. He lay on his side looking sad. So now Joe is one of the keepers of Green Park. Okay, Joe is the name of a person. A park for animals in a forest. So they all live in a park, okay, which is in a forest. He saw that Zonko had not touched his food tub for some time. So Zonko had not touched his food tub and he did not eat the bananas or any other fruit which were in the tub. Joe filled Zonko's tub with a lot of potatoes which he loved. So he filled the tub with potatoes because Zonko loved potatoes, but Zonko turned his back on the tub and walked sadly away. So he did not see those potatoes. He turned his back and he walked away. Then Joe left bunches of bananas and a tub full of fruits for Zonko, but Zonko would not eat. So he left the tub full of bananas and full of fruits, but Zonko would not eat. He lay his side looking He lay on his side looking sad. So he did not see the tub, rather he turned around and he was sad. Joe brought the vet. So now Joe brought the vet. The vet patted Zonko and said, "Poor boy, tummy ache again." And then, to Zonko's horror, he opened his bag and took out a big nasty needle. So the vet came and patted Zonko and said, "Poor boy, tummy ache again." And he, to just scare Zonko, he opened his bag and took a big nasty needle. Okay, just to terrify Zonko. Okay, Zonko looked at it in fright. So he was terrified and he looked at it in fright. He scrambled to his feet and waddled off as fast as he could to his tub. So he just immediately he stood up and he ran away as fast as he could to his tub, which was full of bananas and other fruits. He picked up an enormous bunch of bananas and began to eat in a hurry. He ate and ate until he could eat no more. So he ate all the bananas which were in the tub. Joe and the vet laughed. So Joe and the vet laughed, seeing him terrified by a needle and going back to eat all the bananas which were in the tub. "There is nothing wrong with Zonko," said the vet. "He was just being naughty." So there was nothing wrong with him. He was just being naughty according to the vet. Bobo and Fifi came to say they were sorry. So now Bobo and Fifi, who called Zonko fat, they came and they said sorry to Zonko. "Oh, you can call me fatty or anything else you please," said Zonko, waving a potato at them with his trunk. So now Zonko does not care whether he is called fatty or anything by Bobo and Fifi. Okay, so he told, you can call me fatty or anything else you please," said Zonko, waving a potato at them with his trunk. "I don't mind. I'm a handsome young elephant and I'm proud of myself." So now he has accepted that he is a fat elephant, and as his mother told him that he's a handsome young elephant, so now he feels that he's a handsome young elephant and he feels proud of himself. Okay, so this is the story of Zonko, a baby elephant. Now there are some questions which we have to answer. Fine, on page number 105 and 106. First question is, why had Zonko stopped eating? Now we have to find the answer. Why Zonko had stopped eating? Zonko had stopped eating because Bobo Rabbit and Fifi Froggy called him fatty and he didn't like it, right? So this is the answer. Children, you don't have to do question number 5. Okay, question 2 is, what did Zonko's mother tell him? Zonko's mother told him that elephants are meant to be large and not listen to Fifi and Bobo, because Zonko was a handsome young elephant, right? So this is, you can find this answer here in this paragraph on page number 104. Okay, in the second paragraph you can find the answer. Then third one, what food did Zoe leave for Zonko? So what Zoe left? Here you can find the answer on paragraph 2nd, page number 105. Joe left bunches of bananas and a tub full of fruits for Zonko. So I've written the answer. Joe left bunches of bananas and a tub full of fruits for Zonko. So if the answer will not be adjusted on this line, you can write below this line. Okay, no problem. Question number 4. What did Zonko do when the vet took a needle out of his bag? Now what did he do? Zonko took one look at the needle and he scrambled to his feet and waddled off as fast as he could to his tub. So you can find out the answer here. Third paragraph. He scrambled. Here you can see. And then Zonko, he opened his bag and took out a big nasty needle. Zonko looked at it in the fright. So he looked at the needle, and what did he do? He scrambled to his feet and waddled off as fast he could to his tub. So here is the answer which I have written here. You will put a cross on question number 5. You don't have to do this question, okay? Now, B. Pick out 4 proper nouns from the story and write them here. So there are many proper nouns, okay? Zonko, Nolly. Nolly is Zonko's father. Then Ellie is Zonko's mother. Bobo, Fifi, right? Gigi, Joe. These all are the proper nouns. So we can write any 4 out of those. So I have written Zonko, Ellie, Nolly and Joe. Pick out 4 common nouns from the story and write them here. So there are also many common nouns. I have written this 4. Elephant, sun, needle and banana. Pick out 2 adjectives from the story and write them here. So I have written handsome and large. Adjectives. Okay, adjectives are the words which tell about the noun. So handsome and large. These 2 words are telling about the elephant. Pick out an adverb from the passage and write it here. So sadly is an adverb. Okay, you can find this word here. Zonko looked sadly at her. Sadly is the adverb. Okay. Adverb is the word which tells more about the verb. Fine. Give the opposites of these words taken from the story. So these are the words and we have to write the opposites of these words. So the opposite of ill is well, low, high, sad, happy, fat, thin, long, short and laughed, cried. Fine. So children, this is how you have to do this exercise. Fine. So you will get the PDF along with the video and you will note down all the answers in your book. So this is the end of the video, children. Take care and study well.